talaga seryoso sa mic niya. Dance, you can dance. Minsan, lumalapang habang kumakanta. Chay, ha? Nakakadami ka na, Chay. Kanina ka yan, ha? Kumakaliwa ka sa kanila, ha?
Nakakadami na, oh.
Dami kong mic.
Ano ba yan? Dami kong mic.
Yes, may mic ka ba? Nawawala yung mic mo. O yung buttercup.
Eto, chikitis.
Stop ko muna.
Wag na,
Buttercup
diretso
muna.
na.
Okay, diretso
Ay,
lang.
yung chikitita muna.
Ay, yung buttercup ko!
Ano ba? Bigyan mo muna yung chikitita, tapos i-stop mo.
How
Okay,
about-
good, good.
Tapos, i-ano mo muna to, pag yan. Ito
Oh,
na.
buttercup?
Yan.
Shit! Yan na! Build me up! Boy, dito tayo!
Bakit naka-stop siya?
Tara.
Ganun talaga. Uy, nandun siya.
Chiquitita. Why do we build me up? Buttercup baby, just to let me down.
Naka-stop na siya, Kate.
Stay around you and learn about...
Ano, na-read ng to eh, kanina.
Alam mo, dahil sa pagkain mo ng hindi kumakanta kanina eh.
Ako na lang daw mag-video kasi ayaw sumabay sa akin.
Chikitita muna.
Hindi ko yung chikitita. Ikaw naman.
Ayoko na.
O sige, ayusin mo yung pag-video sasayaw kami.
Ah, ba yan eh? Chikitita. Sure mo lang maalam mo yan, ah.
Alam mo yan? Oo.
Siyempre.
Sasayaw kami.
Basta ano, mga puso lang.
Chiquitito, chiquitita.
Chikita, tell me what's wrong.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
You're chained by your own sorrow.
Really?
In your eyes, there's no hope for tomorrow.
No tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Why do you see like this?
There's no way you can deny it. I can see
That you're
you're so sad and quiet.
Chiquitita, tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
It's rude.
I'm sure you can cry on. Your best friend.
I know the one you must rely on.
Your best friend.
You're always sure of yourself. Now I see you broken a feather.
Broken apart.
No.
Bagisin niya kanta. Chiquitito. You'll be dancing once again, and the pain will end. No time for
grieving. No time for grieving, kuya.
Chiquitita, you and I. Kulit ni Irene, no?
But the sun is still shining above you.
Ah, inaaway yung kanta.
Let me hear you sing once more like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Hello, sweetie. Once more like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Me too. And your loved ones are blown out.
and I know how the heartaches come, they go where the scars are leaving. You'll be there once again, and the pain will end. You will have no time for grieving. Chiquitita, you and I cry, but the sun is still in the sky, is shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more like you did before. Sing a new song, sweet tita.
You're right.
Once more like you did
I have plenty here.
Kuya, so nabahin sa'yo.
Try once more like you did before. Sing a new song, sweetie cheetah.
Okay. Buttercup! Kuya!
Buttercup daw.
Buttercup daw.
Ay, ito tayo, pundido natin.
Thank you for the...
So thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thank you for... Alam mo, gusto ni Kuya Bee Gees. Diba Kuya Bee Gees is key? You like Bee Gees song?
Luha! Naku, kasi yan ay luha! Chat yung luha! Set mo!
Build me up.
Kawawa
Build
naman
me
si
up.
Chat. Build me up muna, sige.
Ba? Nine eh. Build me up. Ay, bakit wala na siya?
Baka sa isa.
Sige, kahit ano na lang. Baka buto tayo alas 12. Wala pa yung kanta na yan, ha?
Huwag na yan, yan.
Yung pages na lang. Luha na lang, luha.
Luha?
Luha, alam niyo ba yun?
Bee Gees nga, luha.
Oo.
Iba naman
Ages.
Ages yung tangi.
Magkatanog.
ko na.
Ano?
Bee Gees, Kuya, what song do you like? Massachusetts, I started a joke.
I started a joke.
I started a joke.
I
Started a joke
Kuya,
that became true.
Irene, pakikanta mo nga yung Twinkle Twinkle Little Star mo. Sige na.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Kuya! Watashi wa manjime. Doste waratte ru no?
Very good singer. She has a very good singer.
Smile.
But I heard
Hindi na siya.
your smile, your
ano?
waratte ru. Not smile.
笑ってなかった。
Ba't kikoe tayo?
耳悪い。
Shit, ang
Kuya!
sarap. Ano ba tong ating DJ? Ang bagal. DJ, ha? 10:30 na, DJ.
Sarap nga ng chicken, bitin eh.
Tinimplahan ko pa to, te. Ang sinasawa. Ay, yung ano, may
Kaya, chicken. Si Kuya, chicken.
Akala niya kung anong binibigay ko.
I started a joke.
Kaya na.
Ang kulit na mga to.
Namumulog-lema na si Chat.
Ano mga problema din ako, nakangawit na ang kamay ko rito eh.
Tutuloy mo muna, cut mo muna pa. Maya-maya na, pahinga ka. Maya ulit. Para hindi masyado mahaba. Gagawin pa yan ni Tess eh.